Hello everyone. In this video, we are covering how to do forecast in Power BI. So the data set that we have connected here is sample superstore data, and let's do step by step. The first thing you have to do is to create a line chart. Remember, a line chart is created with the help of a column that is some value of a date. So here we have the order date as our date value and the shipping date as our date value, which we can use as a x-axis, and on y-axis we can put a numerical column. Okay, these are all the different columns. For example, sales is there, so day wise sales data. This particular data set contains day wise sales data. So what you can do is you can add uh, order date on the x-axis of your line chart, and when you will add this you will see a graph like this, and on y-axis sum of sales. So what it is going to do is it is going to sum the data, like summarize the data for every year. So in this data set we have values of 4 years. You can use this drill down option. Okay, now you can click by quarter, you can see by month, because in a year you have year, quarter, month and day. So this is day wise data. Okay, so you can drill up or drill down with the help of these icons that you can see here. So this is the important thing that you can see in Power BI, and you can go to the next level. So just go ahead and try these options. Obviously, you can expand all or you can go in up level. Okay, now we have to see a line chart where we are seeing a data like this. So this is quarter 4, okay, July, and you can expand all columns down one level in the hierarchy with this option. So what you have to do is you have to see data where you can see information of all quarters. Okay, so for every year there will be data of 4 quarters, and in total 16 quarters. Okay, so from here just make sure by drill up and drill down that you are seeing the data of quarters. Okay, and when you reach that stage then you can do quarterly prediction. So you can see this data. Okay, here we have sum of sales by year, quarter and month. Add further, so here is format visual, from where you can design your visual, and here is add further analysis to your visual. So if you will click this, so you will get a lot of different options here. Okay, in add further analysis or add further analysis to your visual. So when you will click this you will see a trend line, x-axis constant line, y-axis constant line, minimum line, maximum line, average line. So you have to, trend line is something where you can apply linear regression. Okay, it is obviously showing the trend. Obviously when x is increasing, with increase in x, y is also increasing, but they are not in perfectly linear line. So this trend line is basically the line of best fit. Okay, here you will find forecast also. So currently by default all of these options are off in your report, because obviously this is something that you have to turn on. So just from off turn it on. When you will turn on, it will give you some prediction automatically, and when you will go there you can see it is showing data of 2018 different quarters. So based on what selection you have used in your drill down or drilled up report, you will be able to see the simple forecast. So in this tutorial I am going to provide the link to this data set. Just load this data set from your get data, and then try to create a report like this and see if you can create these forecasted lines. This was a very simple explanation of how to create forecast in Power BI. Remember, data should have order date on x-axis and some numerical column like sales or profit which you need to forecast.